board.
Electrical Committee. Natataming kulo.
Newly inducted Supreme Council members. Thank you very much and congratulations. At this point in time, may I call on our brother, super sipag, super lot of ideas, and hindi lang ideas, of course, naisip niya, and narinig niya, naisip niya, lagi it comes to life. The SEC Auditor, Pampanga Supreme Council Vice Chairman, and the author of, hindi naman niliburo niya. Okay? Siya yung nagpo-formulate ng nag-research sa history ng Pibetaro in Pampanga. Okay? Kaya call on Brother Reynaldo Chats Menjola.
Okay, first, before you will proceed to the fraternal unification pact, let me explain the t-shirt, the activity, the general activity t-shirt we consider to produce. At ipabibigay po namin ito na libre. Dahil ito na sample. Para malaman po natin kung anong reason kung bakit meron po tayo ngayon na tinatawag na general activity t-shirt. Sample. Front part. Ito yung backpack. Ibang size po ito. Okay po. Okay po na yung isip namin. Okay, first, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Nabusog po pa tayo. Maraming po salamat sa pagkain ng pinagkaloob po ng Pampanga Founding Council. Okay. Lalo na sa ating mga kapatid mula sa iba't ibang chapters. Dumalo sa mga kasaysayan anniversary ng Pampanga anniversary, founding anniversary from Assumption College. Okay? So allow me to briefly share with you the meaning and purpose behind this general activity t-shirt that many of us are not yet wearing, but we will be wearing soon with pride. Okay? As you have noticed, the design is very simple. On the front, we have the bold initials IDP with its full meaning printed just below it. Okay? On the back, you will see the complete name of Pibetaro or Fraternity. You will wonder why no seal, why no emblem or elaborate design. The answer is simple but powerful. So this shirt is not just one chapter or one province. It is part of our larger vision to establish the Central Luzon Regional Council. This is a unifying shirt, a neutral yet meaningful identity province. Salamat po. Nakakatawag puso ko. More than just an apparel, no? This t-shirt is a symbol of hope, pagkakaisa, and hope. A shared identity we carry together as we move forward, greater inter-provincial cooperation, starting here in Pampanga and reaching out to our brothers and sisters in Nueva Ecija. Hep, hep! Hindi po, dapat betan. Hep, hep! Salamat po. Okay. Tarlac chapter from provincial of Tarlac. Hep, hep! Ano tao? Anong nga? Betans din? Betans? Betans. Hep, hep! Okay. So ngayon po, province of Pampanga. Hep, hep! Betan! Hindi, taro. Di ba, brother? Dahil lang, brother niya. Brother daw po sa, ang alias or AKA ng Pibetaro during those times, no? Is taro. Pampanga chapter! Hep, hep! Right. Woo. Okay, today, during this anniversary celebration, we will be having a photo shoot. No? Photo shoot with all those wearing the general activity shirt. Kasama yung Tarlac. Province of Tarlac. Okay, these photos, magkakaroon po tayo ng photo shoot, no? So these photos will be used for the official website of our confraternity. Tayo naman po ang walang website sa ibang organization. Alam niyo ba po yun? Wala tayong official website. Meron po tayo temporary. Ang website po natin under construction. www.pbetaro.org. Atin po yan. Yung domain na yan, atin po yan. Wala po pwedeng gumamit yan. Okay, so as I said, our website is under construction, no? Apo, meron po man yan. For your information po, magastos po ang may website. May monthly subscription po yan. Kapag lumalaki, diba dami ang information na nilalagay sa website, lumalaki po ang bayarin. Okay, nasa basic plan pa lang po tayo. Basic plan. Okay, so those images na mapuproduce natin, wearing those general activity t-shirt, will form part of our digital legacy, proudly representing our unity and growth. Okay, so this shirt may be simple, but the message it carries is deep, clear, and historical. So let us wear it, not just with pride, but with purpose. Ito na po ang simula ng mas matibay na pagkakaisa ng Central Luzon. Ito ang ating sagisag, hindi lamang sa pananamit, kundi sa tiwalang kapatiran. Mabuhay ang Pibetaro! Mabuhay ang pagkakaisa! Salamat po. Bakit naman si Nida kung bakit wala po kayo sila magkapakirang makabayan. So, alam po natin kung anong dahilan. Hindi pa naman mag-upisa na nagkatagal. Okay. Okay, so the next maalala ninyo, during the Spanish era, at that time nagkaroon pa ng blood compact. Ha? Okay. So, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng Fraternal Unification Pact. No? So, pakita ng tatlong probinsya. Can I have your attention, brothers and sisters? Ito po ang mensahe, brothers. Ito po ang mensahe panimula bago ang ating panunumpa. No? Kasunduan ng pagkakaisa para Tarlac, Pampanga at Nueva Ecija. Ako rin nasa nasa pangalawang yugto dahil nagkaroon na po ng Fraternal Unification Pact ang Kapas Tarlac. Okay. Ngayong araw, habang ating ipinagdiriwang ang 48 anibersaryo ng Pampanga Chapter,